Today on Simply, I am sharing a really fun and clever addition to your backyard barbecues, a grill cart. But this just isn't any grill cart. This is a potting bench that I have converted into the perfect prep station for your backyard barbecues. But in addition to that, it also works as a great buffet and bar. Let me show you how I did it. The first thing that I needed to do was find the perfect cart. Originally, I had drawn what I wanted. I had written down a couple key items that I either wanted to add or have be functions of the cart. I ended up finding the perfect solution, a cedarwood potting bench. This is going to be great outside, but it also has wheels so that I can move it around in case we need to take it off the deck or bring it inside to put prepped food on. I wanted to feature a tub of water somewhere, and I know that sounds really weird, but I just figured when you're using different utensils, it'd be great to just be able to kind of wash them off real quick. Well, the potting bench actually has this tub, and you can expand and open the slats of the potting bench, which are the tabletop essentially, and it exposes a tub, which is meant for soil, but we're gonna use it as a tub of water. Now, in true Haley fashion, you know I couldn't just leave this cart as is. I had to upgrade it a little bit, take it to the next level, and I wanted some hooks that we could store our grill tools on, and it does come with two, but we needed more. So I found some oil rubbed bronze, which was kind of the look that I was going for. So that way we could either hang tools or other accessories that we may need. In addition to the hooks, I found a towel bar, which will be great for our hand towels. You could also double that as a kind of push bar as well. I did order an additional bar for the other side. That way we have it on both. One can be storing the towels, the other can be used for pushing the cart. I also installed 2 bottle openers on either side, which is just a more handy little addition to this super functional cart. Whenever we are grilling outside, I feel like I take multiple trips inside and out. I'm running back and forth, grabbing tools, the next batch of food that has to go in the grill. I'm throwing things back out in the trash can. Like, I'm just running around a lot. And now that we have the cart, I decided that a bin for trash was essential. So I picked up a galvanized one that will just line with some plastic bags. So that way, as we prep food, we can also get rid of whatever waste we have. So as you can see, this cart is really functional now. It serves multiple purposes, but I wanted to share some of my favorite essentials with you guys if you want to mimic this in your own space. I think a cutting board or a really large butcher block is a perfect way to not only serve a purpose as being functional, whether you want to prep your food, but you can wash it, clean it off, and it can be a great serving tray as well. Since I love multifunctional products, one of my favorite kind of old school products is a butcher tray. They are enamel coated steel and they come in different colors. The classic though is white with black, navy, or a red trim. And I love that these are great for prep stations, but they also look really fun and kind of retro when you go to serve your food. One addition to your outdoor grilling station should be a section tray. I didn't realize how much I was gonna use this thing. Everything from just separating the different proteins that we're gonna make. They also make the perfect little serving tray for all of your s'mores ingredients for your bonfires. Another great piece is some sort of caddy to carry all of your sauces, maybe different spices that you're gonna be using. I love a galvanized caddy. It serves a lot of different purposes. You can also store your utensils in it, but it's just one of those pieces that stands the test of time. It's never gonna go out of style, and it's very functional. I hope you guys liked seeing how I turned this potting bench into the ultimate barbecue cart buffet bar setup for your outdoor space. I am so excited to be using this summer. It's already getting a ton of views and I just can't wait to continue to entertain out there. Don't forget to subscribe to Real Simple's YouTube channel so you never miss an episode of Simply, and I will see you in the next one.